What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Today we're going to talk about some projects that are going to do some massive things in 2024. I want you guys to be ready for 2024. We are going to kick this new year off with some positive information. We're going to show you and we're going to talk about what projects you could actually get into, and we're only going to use $5,000 as an example to make you well over six figures. So imagine being able to scrounge up $5 grand, just $5,000, and put it into some specific cryptocurrency projects and make six figures off of that. If you have that type of opportunity in front of you, wouldn't you take advantage of it? Well, I hope so. So welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hey, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just some healthy education to get you to understand what type of beautiful projects there are for 2024 and how to start this new year off running out the gate. So let's get it, guys. All right, before we get into this video, just make sure this video is not financial advice. This is just, again, healthy education. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how we're going to hit 2024 harder than ever. If anything, your goal for 2024 should be to create the best portfolio that you possibly can have, because I believe 2024 is going to be an opportunity where we will gain massively in cryptocurrency, because we have a lot of catalysts that are driving the cryptocurrency force or space to actually be well ahead of the game. So what we got ahead of us is the Bitcoin halving that's coming in April. So we have to really get in there and position ourselves to put together these portfolios to make sure that we're being successful in cryptocurrency. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about a couple cryptocurrency coins. I'm going to talk about investing $5 grand into these cryptocurrency projects and ensuring that I could put some targets together that would drive us to pull six figures off of a $5,000 investment. Now, this comes with a lot of research and understanding behind these cryptocurrency projects, and being able to put some price targets that are realistic, where we're not actually trying to squeeze as much as we can out of these projects, but let alone just try to pull out enough to win essentially from cryptocurrency and the projects that we're looking at, projects that have real world utility, projects that are doing a lot of plans to solve problems in cryptocurrency and solve problems for us. So let's get into these projects. All right, guys, so looking at the first project, we're going to talk about the first project, which is going to be a AI project. Now, this is going to be a strong narrative. I've been talking to a lot of crypto enthusiasts, and then I have talked to some crypto degenerates that have been in cryptocurrency for over a decade, and a lot of the information is pointing towards AI being a big narrative for this up and coming bull run in 2024, 2025. So, I really think it's critical for us to have an AI affiliated type of project within our portfolio. So I actually chose two. The first one I'm going to talk about is Singularity Network, and that's AGIX. And then we're going to talk about Render. We're going to have both of these in our 5K to a six-figure type portfolio. Now, it's very critical that I look at these two specifically, because in my mind, I do believe that Render is going to go upwards to $52 in the bull run when we hit that peak bull run, and then AGIX, Singularity Net, I have some targets for that, which we'll discuss. Now, it's real critical for both of these projects. So the way I look at it is these are the top two, in my opinion. Now, obviously, everybody else may have their own opinion, but these two are, in my opinion, the best AI cryptocurrency projects, because when you look at AGIX, they're partnered up with Internet Computer, which is going to be obviously in this video, but let's talk about Internet Computer and AGIX. Now, AGIX partnered up with Internet Computer. Internet Computer is the best, like hands down. There is no other that is going to top Internet Computer because of the technology and everything else that they've created. They essentially created an internet with a computer in a computer network, and it just gets crazier after that. But anyway, so with AI integration going through Internet Computer and other cryptocurrency projects, AGIX has a lot of great development when it comes to AI. Their focus is to have 100% singularity. Now, once they reach that level, it could get dangerous with AI, but it's going to take a lot of time for them to get to that level. But the integration that they have that could help cryptocurrency projects is top tier. So I see AGIX as a project that could help a lot of other projects get bigger in AI engines, AI space, AI technology when it comes to decentralized apps being built on blockchains and so on and so forth. it's huge. So I think that that's going to play a big role for AGIX in the bull run because of the amount of technology that they have related to artificial intelligence and how they're able to continuously build using AI tools and AI machine and AI software. So really big win for Singularity Network. Now also I'm looking at Render because when it comes to content creation, when it comes to building marketing for businesses, when it comes to art, digital art, Render is really top tier. And the remarkable thing about Render is you can also find a way to create passive income by running a node for Render to be able to process jobs in the workspace for Render. So say there's some work that has to be done, and you could actually run a node to be able to create passive income by receiving Render for allowing your whatever to run this node. Now the cool thing about it is, I said whatever because I'm going to backpedal right now, you can actually run a node through your iPhone. So there's a M1, M2, M3 type of processing power that the iPhone 15s now are able to have with Apple's integration. Is you can run an M3 type of system on your iPhone. So it has I believe it's 8 gigabytes or something like that allows you to run this job or this project on your iPhone. So basically, processing the job from Render on your iPhone, getting paid Render, and then shooting it over to have it finalized, and you earn some passive income off of that by them paying you in Render to being able to run the transaction as a node. Is pretty huge. I mean, that's going to be in demand for people that want to do that. So the next project that I'm going to talk about covers data democracy. So if you've seen a lot of my videos, obviously you know where I'm headed with this one. This coin has developed tons and tons of partnerships. It has a secure PC software. This project also has developed with a partnership with Sony Vios and with Avita to be able to market Web3 decentralized laptops and put it out to the market in the Asia space. For now, it has not even went global yet, and already it's picking up a lot of traction just by providing these decentralized laptops and selling them and putting them on the market. Now, this project also has partnered up with a lot of exchanges like Deepcoin and so on for the Asian market. And not only have they done that, they've created a marketing strategy by partnering up with Conda Labs and DWF Labs. And yes, I'm talking about the king of IoT, Internet of Things, data democracy, and this is none other than Jasmy Coin. So with Jasmy Coin being in the top three of this project to help us get to that 6-figure mark, I believe that Jasmy is right now currently on the cusp of creating some scarcity. So we have a coin now that is creating scarcity, and coming in the coming months of 2024, they will have a lockup that's actually going to allow some scarcity for the coin or the token for Jasmy. And what's going to happen is the demand for that is going to go up, and then the price or the valuation of the coin and the market cap is going to, I believe, leap if it comes out. So I've been trying to figure out exactly how many coins Jasmy is going to be locking up. So I'm hearing somewhere around 30 billion tokens to 25 billion tokens. And if this plays out and this really happens, and that's the actual amount that they're planning to lock up, you're going to cut the $50 billion market cap. The 50 billion total supply of Jasmy by a big chunk. And this is actually going to cause a huge spike in the price for Jasmy. So I'm betting on this one to help us get to that 6-figure income by utilizing Jasmy Coin as a project. But before we get into that, I wanted to drop the 10x on you guys, the 10x squad. This is the Patreon for Run My Crypto. Now inside this Patreon, I go over detailed information behind what I'm sharing with you today. So I'm not going to give you guys all the exits, but I'm going to give you the ranges of the exits. But inside the Patreon, you guys will be able to see exactly how I plan to take profits in 2024 with the projects that I'm talking about. And not only that, I'll be covering 20 other cryptocurrency projects with targets and with exit strategies, so that you can it would help you understand how to actually invest in the project if you're not already invested, or maybe even revising your portfolio. Maybe you're sitting on more meme coins than you should, but that's why I'm here to help you look at your current situation, what your investment strategy looks like, and we could revise it, talk about it, do whatever we have to do to make sure that you're going to win at least 10x on every single project that you have. So if you guys are interested, I have a few spots available running through till tomorrow, and that's 20 spots for $20 a month, and it gives you access to the Discord, to the Patreon, and obviously to myself, so we could go over and make sure that you're successful in crypto. So let's get into these other projects. So the last two projects that I'm going to talk about are another set of projects that are creating scarcity and that are becoming scarce as we speak. So let's look at Internet Computer Protocol. This is probably the best cryptocurrency project that has been established in cryptocurrency. Shout out to Dominique Williams and Dfinity team for making the most robust, complete, concrete system. It is a internet basically built on a blockchain that runs 100% on chain. The blockchain works through a network nervous system where the hyper transaction texts go through the NNS, which is the network nervous system, goes into canisters, which within these canisters you can create smart contracts, and these smart contracts are verified and run off of these nodes that are placed strategically throughout the globe. So these nodes communicate with each other to validate the transactions. And not only that, Internet Computer has brought over Bitcoin and Ethereum through the ECDSA signatures that allows Ethereum and Bitcoin to be utilized on chain through Internet Computer, and this is through chain key technology. So what other words to explain? Internet Computer has a CKBTC coin and a CKETH coin, which this is chain key Ethereum and chain key Bitcoin, and this is all available on Internet Computer's blockchain. This whole system runs on a computing cloud that is serverless, and it's a robust system with high transaction volume capabilities with very low transaction costs. And that's why with the system they put in place, that's where we get those low transaction fees. Not only they have a launch pad with ICO projects that come out on Internet Computer, and you have the ability to create a identity wallet through Internet Computer, put your Internet Computer in there. You have staking that runs anywhere from 4 years to 8 years of Internet Computer tokens being staked. And when you stake these tokens, you stake it in a sense of proposals where you follow these proposals, you follow the staking pattern, and then you delay your dissolve. And then what happens is that you've put them up for 8 years. You could earn rewards, you could collect on those rewards, or you could opt to have those rewards restaked through the network nervous system. So Internet Computer, a powerhouse project, guys, and this one is going to be one of those projects that is, I'm just going to say this, I really believe that this is better than Ethereum by a lot of different factors. Maybe Ethereum outweighs Internet Computer in 1 or 2, 3 categories, but overall Internet Computer is way better than Ethereum, and this is just my opinion. Not knocking Ethereum or Bitcoin, because these two are the patriarchs of cryptocurrency, and I will always pay homage to Bitcoin and Ethereum, because without those two projects we wouldn't have cryptocurrency. One of the last projects, or the last project that I'm going to add to this portfolio for 2024 for a powerhouse project, we're talking about gaming. And no, I'm not going to talk about Gala Games. I'm talking about Alivium. This is an OG in gaming. Now, not only are they an OG in gaming, but the graphics, the just the level of performance that they've come to is by far the best. Like, Alivium has come to a point where they have become the best in gaming for cryptocurrency, and I think that they're finally going to reflect some massive gains because of the type of project that Alivium is. Like, they continuously push forward to be the best in the gaming sector. I know people can argue that there are other better gaming cryptocurrency projects out there, but I have to beg to differ. I have to disagree, because whenever you go into Alivium's website, that you could 100% you could see the difference of growth from this project to a lot of other gaming projects. And when you look at that type of growth and how far they've come with the graphics, with just the games, with just introducing new technology, being able to be compatible with, you know, MetaQuest consoles and things like that, gaming rewards, gaming NFTs. I mean, it's just by far the best that I believe in cryptocurrency that is out there. So of course I'm going to have to put Alivium in this bucket, you know, because I am a believer of OGs that have something to prove, and this project, you know, has seen $1,500 in previous runs. But I do think that this project Alivium is going to go way beyond that. I think Alivium will retest the all-time high, and then, you know, obviously go into a price discovery mode and stay the number one gaming, at least for the next decade or so, until these other gaming, brand new gaming developments can get to the level of Alivium. You know, they all got a lot of big talk, but when it comes to looking at how they are built on the websites, Alivium just is top tier against all of them. So that'll be our final coin that we're going to add to this portfolio. So we have AGIX, we have Render, we have Jasmine, Internet Computer, and Alivium, and we're going to spread $5,000 amongst these projects. So there it is, guys. These projects, $5,000 to six figures. May you guys have a blessed New Year's tonight. You know, start 2024 with, you know, with a bang. Come out the gate running. You know, don't look back. Stay looking forward. As far as you could keep your eyes focused on the win, you stay on that, and you'll be successful in cryptocurrency. Make sure you guys do your own research. Don't ever let us tell you how to do things, but do your own research so that you know how to invest, and make sure you take profits. Don't lose out. Don't be greedy. Just go for the win. Don't go for everything, and you'll be on top always, 100%. Happy New Year from Run My Crypto. You guys take care. God bless, and be safe out there.